evening, Mr. X's class. We're here to talk about the word dispose. So, dispose has two meanings. I feel like the second one is more common than the first one. But the first one means it says to arrange people or things in a particular position. And I put a note, definition one is mainly used in a war. In a war to talk about the location of soldiers. So you don't use it very much like, I haven't heard it very much for things like, I disposed my papers in my room. It would match the definition, but it doesn't sound right to me. I don't think it's used that much for things like that. I think it's usually for soldiers in a war, definition one. So like, General Patton disposed his troops before the battle. So it's like, when a general plans where all the soldiers are going to go. You go on the left, you go on the right, you attack from this side, like making the plan for the soldiers, where they will be in a battle. We use that, dispose for that. That's where I've heard it most with this definition. That doesn't mean maybe people never use it for arranging other things, but I haven't really heard it very much with other things. I hear it more with definition two. Definition two is to eliminate or get rid of something. And one important thing to note with this one is the word of. So you have to say of. And you say of, and then you say the thing that you are eliminating, like throwing away. So you dispose of trash. You dispose of old things that you don't want. And that would be disechado, right? And the first word that is the first one. So my sentence with the second one is, people should dispose of trash in the trash can. And sentence over here related to the pearl. If you remember from English 1, Kino finally decides to dispose of the pearl in Steinbeck's The Pearl. So at the end, like it caused him so much trouble, the very end, he throws it into the ocean to get rid of it. So he throws it away. That's what dispose of means. So let's talk about word families. So, and this is our chance to learn some word parts to some suffixes, because you can use suffixes to figure out parts of speech. So, what does able mean? It's an adjective, and it means able to. So, able to be. So, disposable. Something disposable means it's a thing that you can throw away. A disposable plate is like a paper plate. You can throw away or recycle, but you don't keep it. You get rid of it. And disposed is an adjective to describe the action. So that is the disposed troops were, like the arranged troops were ready for the battle or something. But this already happened. They were arranged, let's say. Disposal. Anybody know what that would be? Good. It's a noun. Excellent. Very good. Good job. What does it mean? Disposal. It's the noun of this word family, right? Dispose. It's the noun that goes with that. So it's the action of doing one of these things. Just talking in general. So like disposal, we could talk about disposal of trash is very important. We need to do it. So that action, talking in general, is very important, we could say. Another meaning of disposal is in the kitchen sink, the machine in the bottom of your sink. If you put food down the sink and it grinds the food so that it'll go down the pipe, makes it small, it has little knives and it cuts it, that is called a disposal. That's another noun meaning of disposal. So it means the process of doing this, or it can mean that machine in your sink. That machine in your sink that grinds your food. Disposition is another way to... disposition, I think, is the noun that goes with definition 1. This is more like the noun that goes with definition 2. This is the noun that goes with definition 1. So this is with definition 2. This is with definition 1. And also disposition. Disposition also means personality for a person. So someone has a happy disposition, an angry disposition, and a cheerful disposition. Like your personality, like the mood that you're usually in, the emotion that you usually have. Like the usual emotion of a person, I would say.